Okay, so hello guys. Today we are install the Postman. So we use this when we are writing the code on Node.js. So let's get started. So simply we are going to browser and type here install Postman, enter, and go to this official website postman.com. And as you see here, Windows 64-bit. So and if you are any other version, so you have to download the another version. So in my case, I have the 64-bit, so I'm going to here, and so I have already downloaded this, so I'm discard this. You have to keep this, and then as you see here, I install this. So double click here and open this. So it takes a little bit time to initialize. Okay, so this page comes here after the initialization. So you have to do option sign in and create an account. If you have already account, so you have to simple go here and sign in. And if you have not create before account, so you have to click on the create account. So in my case, I have to create a account, new account. So I'm going to here. And on this page, I have to put here our email. Click open this on accessory tab. Write your name. Put here your role. Then continue. Okay, so after finish this, you have to go here, and as you see here, one thing workspace. So create here create workspace. Write here name, whatever your team name, like I'm testing here. That's something. Somebody like anything. Test. I'm using personal, so I'm creating personal. Okay, so I test here it comes, and then now we have to use the API, testing the API. Then we have to go to, okay, so here it comes, like you have to use the get request on the browser. So you have to use get, and if you want to send the request on the server, so you have to use this post. And if you want to update the request, so you have to update the database or something, whatever you are making on the backend, like username or password or whatever you are sending on the server. So you have to and you want to update that things, so you have to use the put request. So I'm like use the any request. So simple, you have to use the localhost and slash use your API, whatever API you are making on the VS Code or in a Node.js. So okay, so you have to use this API name, whatever you are give over their names. Okay, and then you have to send the request. And yeah, so okay, so I hope you are understand. So thank you. If you like the video, like, share, and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video.